Today I am going to demonstrate very great machine for car workshop, car garages. This machine will retrieve and recover the Freion gas from the cooling cycle of the car and do flushing, do recovery for all the dust and the humidity, inject new oil and then inject the right value by weight. So the right way to fill the cooling system of the car is to inject the right weight of Freion gas. So this machine will do the work for you efficiently, automated method. So let me show you the main part of the machine. You have the 7-inch touch screen. The 7-inch touch screen will allow you to mimic and to do a lot of controlling things and operating these things. I'll show you by details. This is 2 gauges to measure the gas out of the car, and the low pressure, the low pressure value and the high pressure value. The good things in this machine that the body is industrial plastic fiber. It will not scratch other cars when it goes between the 2 cars. The advantages of this machine is it will work for 2 kind of gases, the 1234YF, the new gas, and the 134A gas. So let me show you. It comes with the right sticker. If you want to use it as 134A, from the first day you need to stick this one on top of this and set some parameters here to make it working as 134A gas, or you can use it as 1234YF. It has also the right coupler. So this coupler is for 1234YF and another coupler for 134A. Let me show you another advantage of this machine. It has a front door that is allowing you to see and to work with each and every part of this machine. The pipes are easy to fix if you have any leak, sudden leak, or by time you have some cracks or something. It's easy, and the solenoids, everything is very easy to maintain in the future. And this is the 1-stage vacuum pump. Okay, in case you want to increase the oil from here, there is I think the oil gauge here. You have to fill it. It has to be between this minimum and maximum. In case you want to service this, you could service it very easily. And this is the compressor. Let me show you also from back side. Come here. Let us show him. Let us show the followers from back side. You can easily also maintain things and see things. This is the cylinder. 13.7 kilogram of gas can fill. Here is the industrial filter. If you see other machines, you can see only a small filter, which is really not convenient and not industrial, but this is really can do 100 kilogram gas recovered out from the car. The very advantages, good things here in this machine, it has a heater around the cylinder. So when you do the gas recovery and after that you want to fill the gas back to the car, this one will work and the heater will give a heat for the gas inside, so it's easy to go out. This is very great invention actually, because this is heated transfer. The gas, when it comes out from the car going to this bottle, it will come very heated, but this condenser will cool this gas, and it will be going as a liquid without making this cylinder very pressurized, and in some cases stop the operation, because it has also an air pressure sensor. Okay, here in this cylinder you have a throttle device that is taking only the pure gas. In case it blocked by time or something, you can open this one and clean it. Let me show you here how this machine will work. First of all, you have the low pressure and you have the high pressure. You have to connect it to the car, and you can use this machine not only to fill the gases, but also to diagnose and to identify the exact problem. Because if you have, for example, the high pressure, you have in this high pressure, you have the gauge showing you here. Let me show you here. Come here. The high pressure showing you 0. That means the compressor, the cooling compressor of the car does not work, and you recognize that the compressor is maybe not working. If you have at the low pressure, 0, maybe you know that the expansion valve is closed. I could bring for you some drawing and show you some certain cases, but just this video is a very quick, at maximum I'm briefing things, okay. Once you operate the machine, it works with 20 volt normal AC electricity. You know, the first screen shows you in here, it has an internal counter, how many kilogram of gas recovered back. Like for example, you do one car, you do second car, third car, you know, until 100 kilogram, it will alert you that you need to clean the to replace the filter, because the filter by that time would be clogged and would be maybe, you know, filled with the dust and, you know, dirty things. So it's just an alarm. It will not stop you. It is a recommendation. You just say okay, and here is the main screen. Okay, the main thing is to recover the gas. From here you do the recovery, okay, and you say okay. The machine, you see, it will open some cylinders to retrieve the. So here no refrigerant detected because I'm not connected to the car. If I am connecting the low pressure to the car and connecting the high pressure to the car, then the machine will automatically recover the gas from the car and insert it in this cylinder. So basically you are not losing the gas out in the environment. But two advantages out of this. First of all, you are not wasting the gas out from the car, because the gas will maybe is just need to be a little bit filled or something. So you just take the gas out and you don't throw it in the environment and don't spoil the environment. Vacuum is a very great option, because once you do the vacuum, the pressure in here, so the vacuum goes until minus 30 psi. This is the psi, okay, and this is the bar, so it will go until minus 30 psi. Why? Is to absorb every humidity in the cycle, is to take out every, because at minus 30 psi, the humidity will convert into mist, and it will go out and go inside this filter, okay. It's a very great option. You do the vacuum for 5 minutes. I recommend to do it 15 minutes, okay, and then you start it. It will evacuate the cycle, and this is kind of first of all cleaning the cycle, as well as checking if there is any leak, because if you have a leak, it will not go to minus 30. It will keep going up and up. It will not go to the minus 30 psi. So that there is a leak in the cycle. Another great things here, is you go here, you do the charge. Here you charge. Okay, this is very good option that you have the charge for the normal charging cars, for the petrol cars, and this is for high voltage charging. Mean to say this is for hybrid cars or for pure electrical cars. So now in the market there is a lot of electrical cars, a lot of hybrid cars. So you can switch between this, because the methodology is different between the normal car and the high voltage car. If you say okay, then you can use here the hose flush if you want to flush the hoses of the car and the machine, and here you can select the oil, how many milli you want to inject. Here UV is also a good tool to check. This is you can fill this one with ultraviolet material, and inject it inside the cycle. If there is a leak in the cycle, you could see the phosphorical gas by this special glasses. So you see the different color, the almost the green color of the gases. So this is sample of the gases. We give this free with the machine, okay, and
rub just a little bit so we can.
Yeah, no problem, Ahmed. Okay, so this is the material where you injected in the ultraviolet, okay, and injected in the cycle. By this, you can see the green color gases leaking somewhere, and then you find your leak. Here, let's finish this one. This is the printer. It will print all the report. Going back here, I can show you that you can select here how much you want to charge the gas. But also, this information here you have to fill it, okay? If you hit in here, you can write maybe 800 gram, okay? Some cars, the 4-wheel, and two are maybe 800 gram or 900 gram or whatever, you know, if it is dual AC. So, you know, if you have always this information at the bonnet of the car, at the head of the car, but if you, or maybe some of the manufacturer put it and underneath of the, you know, of the door, front door maybe, or bonnet cover. You can find it somewhere. But you know, if you don't have it, then charge by database. This machine has a ready-made database where you select the brand of the car, and it will tell you how much gas you need to inject inside the car. Like if I select Hyundai in here, I can select Hyundai Accent maybe. It will tell me how much BAG, the oil type also, and also the, you know, the amount of the gas. Okay, let me show you here maybe Azera. It will show you that, you know, 500. If you see here, can you go closer? Yeah, this 500 is the amount of the gas, and it is BAG oil. So you can come to know the right values from this, you know, database. You say okay, and then, you know, refrigerant shortage, because there is no refrigerant in the tank. By the way, for luck, and this is by chance, they are shipping one of the machine. Ahmed, where are you shipping this machine?
This one to
Al-Quds, here in United Arab Emirates, Dubai. Okay, we are shipping the same machine, Robinson AC machine. Okay, this is suddenly going. Okay.
Congratulations to the owner.
Mean who the garage?
Kings.
Garage. Okay, this is going to anyway. Here, auto mode. Auto mode is a great option because it does all this recycle at one you know, button. If you hit the button here, you just select I want normal car. Okay, you say okay, and then you want hose flushing or not? Yes, I want. A vacuum, how many? I want it as 10 minutes. Okay, auto oil injection. Yes, I want auto oil injection. Okay, you know here how UV. You want to inject UV a little bit just to see if there is any leak. You can. Otherwise, you know, you don't want to put it. Just keep it as 0. Here, charge amount. Maybe you want to put 700 gram. You say okay, and you know you just say okay. You know, you go do your work. You know, you after you hook up this hoses, because it will do the work itself. It will do the work itself, and you come back, the process finished, and you are done. You don't need to do a lot of efforts. Okay, let's do the tank fill. You know, once you buy this machine in you, okay, you don't have to, you don't have gas inside. Like for example, in here you see it's 0.2 kilogram. There is nothing inside. You know, I want to fill it with gas because I want to service one car. You know, I should have the gases inside. In this case, you know, I can connect the blue color, you know, pipe. There is 1 minute. Yeah, the blue color one, I can connect it and recover gas from the cylinder and bring the gas inside the car. Okay. In here I can say I want to recover 5 kilogram. I want to recover maybe 6 kilogram. I want to put in this cylinder. You can easily do it. You know, let me come here, please. I will show you that, you know, it has an USB board. This USB board, you can update the machine. You can update the database. Come here. You know, if you go out, and you know, here is the system setting. I can tell you the password is 11111. So 6 times ones. You know. So here you can calibrate. You know, if you doubt the gas cylinder weight, you can you know, use this weight. Yeah. It comes with 1 kilogram. Okay, I don't want to open it. You know, just wait. You can put it above of the cylinder like this way, exactly above the heat transfer things, the condenser, and you just put it and you do the calibration. It will calibrate the weight. And here the unit. Some people like to work as in LB, BSI. Also, some people want to work in another, maybe in you know, here you want to work in LB, for example. Some people know, you know, like to work with pounds. Some people want to work with kilogram. Okay, and the pressure. Some people want to work in bar. Some people want to work in BSI. You can easily change the unit that you are comfortable with. Language. We are talking now in English language, and that's why this is for English users. But if you want to change it in Arabic language, it's easily changing to Arabic language. I will just put it back to English language. Okay. Here is the component. This is really, you know, fabulous very advanced option that is not available, sorry, in other machines. You know that you can select, you know, valve 1, you can force valve 1. See, the solenoid works, so you know that the solenoid working or not. If I want to make the, you know, see the vacuum machine, you can hear the sound. I made it working. Here I can make the compressor working, you know. So you can test each and every part of this machine, you know. And very good option is there if you want to evacuate all the gases inside the cylinder. You can easily make valve 1, valve 5, valve 9. See, I open it, just it will, is, you know, releasing all the gases out. You know, if I do it, if I complete the process, it will do. Let me just go back and just show you, you know, how to do this process. Okay, component. So valve 1, valve 5, valve 9, valve 11, valve 17. You see, show him the gauge, how it's going down. I'm releasing some gases out of from the machine. Okay, and you know, just to make sure also, I will operate the vacuum pump. See, I am releasing each and every gas inside the cylinder. So this will allow you also to take gases from other machine, maybe from other bottle. It's really amazing options, you know, having these ones. I say finish, then now, you know, see, it's going 0.18, it was 0.3. I can release each and every part of the gases in here. I'm not sure if there is any more options I have to show you, you know. Well, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I say okay, and then, you know, yeah, wait set. Here, you know, don't play with this one because this is factory one. It's a presetted value. You know, if you want to change the bottle, you have to compare the existing bottle with the new bottle. If it is a little bit extra, then you have to you know, change this parameter. But you don't change this parameter, okay? And here is the owner information. You can put your company name, you can put the address, the contact person, the telephone number, and you know, once you print the report, all these data will come in the report of the machine here. In this report of the machine, when you print out. Okay. Thank you so much for listening this video.